Chapter 8, The Nature of Desire. Desire is the fire that can light the beginning of love, but it is not the same as love itself. To understand love clearly, we must be honest about the role desire plays, its power, its volatility, and its limits. William B. Irvine, in On Desire, draws a vivid distinction between lust and lovesickness. Lust is a broad hunger, an appetite that can be satisfied by many. Lovesickness, on the other hand, is precise and pointed, an intense, often sexual longing for one specific person. And here lies the first truth about desire. It is not a choice. We don't decide to fall in love any more than we decide to catch the flu. It comes upon us, unbidden, and often without warning. When lovesick, our intellectual defenses falter. Seneca called love friendship gone mad. La Rochefoucauld observed that all the passions cause us to make mistakes, but love is responsible for the silliest ones. Freud dubbed it the psychosis of normal people. In this state, rational cost-benefit calculations dissolve. We find ourselves rewriting our lives around another person, often in ways we can't fully explain. Desire is intoxicating because it collapses the distance between want and need. At its height, it feels like the only truth that matters. And yet, desire is inherently unstable. It evolved, as Helen Fisher points out, to drive ancestral humans to choose a mate and remain bonded long enough to conceive. After that, another biological system, attachment, was meant to take over, securing a deeper and more stable bond for the raising of children. Here lies one of love's great tensions. The ecstasy of romantic desire and the calm of enduring attachment rarely coexist at full strength. The very chemistry that draws two people together can, over time, give way to a quieter, steadier connection. One that lacks the intoxication of the beginning, but carries the potential for a deeper, more sustaining love. And yet, desire is not to be dismissed as a youthful folly. It awakens us. It pulls us into the orbit of another human being with a force that can break through habit and complacency. It can be the catalyst for life-changing commitments, for acts of bravery, for the reordering of one's priorities. To navigate love wisely, then, is to understand desire's role without becoming its captive, to welcome its spark, but not confuse it for the whole fire. Desire can point the way, but it cannot be the foundation. For love to last, it must grow beyond the fever of wanting into the grounded choice of staying, a choice renewed day after day, long after the first flames have cooled.